We're at another ThyssenKrupp in the Boulevard Shopping Centre. Another glass ThyssenKrupp Synergy. Not looking well. Sounds nice. Get your fingers. Correct. Really nice. There we go. Brakes are nice on this. Grand. Move this way probably. Xenia Boulevard. This is actually a really, really nice glass lift. There's no lie, I like it. This is a conformal place. Furniture shop. That's really nice. Back in the glass lift at the other end. Really nice glass ThyssenKrupp. Seihan bubbles or K, I don't know. Oh, that level quite nicely. That's air conditioning here, lovely. Open it. Here we go again. There's a lovely air conditioning thing in this lift. Very nice. The level's in two stages. It stops and then it starts. It doesn't apply the brake. It's only 515. By the way, if you want to put that weird noise in the background, it's the air conditioning unit. There's actually air conditioning in this lift, which is brilliant.